Today I'd like to talk to you about Patlight's LA6 multicolored LED signal tower. If you look at the outside, it looks like any other signal tower, but the inside is quite different. But before we get into the differences, let's review what signal towers are for. Many times signal towers are mounted on top of a machine. When the light is red, it means the machine has stopped or has some other issue. If the light is green, everything's fine. This way, people can look at a glance at the machine and the signal tower and know what's going on. Unfortunately, these days, there are less and less people at our factories, so it becomes more challenging and difficult to know what's going on. For example, if you want to know how a machine is progressing in a certain process, you may have to go up to an HMI screen to look at it to see what the progress is. Or if there are many red lights, you may not know which machine has priority. With the LA6, you can address these kinds of issues and others in a very cost-effective way. The first difference that you'll notice is that LA6 has a microchip inside, a computer chip. With this chip and with the LA6 editor software, you could program the different lights and you could program the alarms, the duration of the alarm. This way, once you have the program set, you could upload it with a USB cable into the unit, and as different errors occur, you could trigger different programs and the unit will automatically run those programs. For example, if one red light on top of a machine is not enough, you could make the whole tower turn red. And because we have 21 different colors, you could have like purple mean an extreme critical situation. Another way you could use this is to use the time trigger mode, which means that depending on how much time, you could have the lights go up or go down, depending on the application. For example, if you wanted to know how long this machine has been running a process, you could look at a glance and see, oh, it just started the process, or it's in the middle of the process, or it's towards the end. So another way to use this is to count down. If you're putting this at an assembly line, for instance, you may be making 50 to 100 pieces per day, but you may not know if you're at the right pace to complete your task at the end of the day. So you can use this to count down to show that you're on schedule or not. This way you'll balance out your line. You may even be able to improve your quality. Another example is for you to connect the LA6 to a sensor, and then you can monitor your tank level. And at a glance, you can see how much fluid is left in your tank. These examples might have given you some ideas on how you may be able to use the LA6 signal tower at your facility. Our website has many more examples for you to look at, so please visit our website and look at these examples for more ideas. Thank you very much.